guys, welcome back to Live Review. I hope you're doing very nice and I'm sending a lot of hugs and positivity to all of you in today's video. I'm going to be giving you a room tour, my room tour. I really did not want to make this video. Like I thought that when I will shift to my new house, then I will make this video where everything is super aesthetic. But then I was like, how will I look back on the memory of when I had this room with myself? Also, this is one of the most requested video ever. So here it is. Let's begin the video. I'm going to be holding the mic like this today because usually I kind of like put it somewhere else. I stick it somewhere else. But today I got to show you the whole room. So I was like, let me just hold it. This right here is the door and I showed you the room from this perspective. Now I'm going to go to each and every corner of the room so that I can show everything properly. You guys have already said it in the post that I made on the community post. This video is not going to be perfect because I'm shooting it alone, but bear with it. Now this is the corner. This is the infamous library without an L. So it's the library. You guys keep commenting about it in the comment section all the freaking time. It's just funny. I really don't know what happened to the L. I did not remove it. None of my parents or my brother, none of my family removed it. It just suddenly like went somewhere. No idea why. And my bookshelf is not always clean. Duh. Like this is still cleaner because I set it a little bit for this video. But usually like because I take out so many books for my videos, for ideation, for shooting and this and that, it is not always clean. Like we have the Harry Potter set over here because I want to shoot like bits and pieces of the Harry Potter vlog, which is coming soon, by the way. So it's here. So usually my bookshelf is not completely set. Then we have this corner, which is basically like my rest corner or like my bed corner. There we have my bed and I have this gorgeous balcony with myself because I love it so much. That's like my favorite part of the room. Here are some quotes and then we have those frames that I got long back. And let me tell you the story of this paper that I have stuck. These frames that you see, I did not buy it from anywhere. I designed it myself on Canva and then I printed it and I framed it. Same with the frames that I have on the other side. Why I did this is because I wanted quotes that really resonate with me and not just like, you know, the best quotes on the internet or something, because I wanted to make sure that whenever I'm looking at them, I get inspired. So I did some research before this. Like these quotes are not just randomly there. I made sure that I really like them. Only then I designed it in my way so that the pictures are inspiring and then I put it. Talking about the paper over here, it is reusable paper. So I basically got a notebook sometime like 5 years back or something from some carnival. It's reusable paper. Now I was not using the notebook a lot. I took double-sided tape and I stuck it on the wall so that if there is any idea that is coming in my head and I don't have my phone near me or I don't have like, you know, my notebook near me, my ideation notebook near me or anything like that, I can just get up and write it down. You guys don't know, but a lot of my ideas come from my dreams or a lot of my ideas come when I just wake up or in the middle of the night. Like that is my ideation period. I don't know what happens at that time, but that's when I get my ideas. And at that time, it is very important for me to make sure that I note them down. And this is the closest thing to me. A lot of times I'm not able to make out what I have written, but in the morning, yeah, like I do some stuff and then I am able to make it out. My bed here is a tiny mini bed that we have and I've kept the comforter the way it is. I've kept the comforter the way it is because that's usually how it is most of the time. I am always inside my comforter. No, you don't call it a comforter. I don't know what you call it, but you know. I have a small bed because I wanted more space in the room for my bookshelf area so that I can shoot properly. This over here, the printer is actually a new addition. We have a printer because I need to print invoices and package slips continuously right now since Ella More is available on Amazon. So every single time I get an order, I have to print the packaging slip and I have to pack the order. So I got the printer. It's not actually my printer. It is actually like it was there in my dad's office. It's his own office. It's not like somebody else's office and he did not like steal it or something. It's my dad's office only, but I got it from there to here because my dad is anyhow working from home right now because of COVID, and it is helpful for me and I don't have to go out again and again. So taking a look on my table now, this cute little doggo is a gift. and this is a stick-on pen. It is stuck to the table. Then I have moisturizer. Then we have the pen stand, which basically has useless stuff actually, and like my kajal and my lip balm and stuff, like nothing more than that. Then we have this cute little trolley that I love a lot. It has all my like sticky note, highlighter and pen and stuff that I use to annotate my books. Getting closer, we have more, my journal. I used to have more journals before, but now I don't need them, so it's there. Then we have Letting Go that I'm reading right now. Then we have a random notebook, and then we have another notebook that I use for my business stuff. And then we have You Are a Badass at Making Money, which I randomly read from time to time. This is often used by me at night. This is actually a package that is supposed to go out of Elamore. And then we have more sheets where I print the packaging slips. And then we have this YouTube notebook. Actually, all my scripting and everything is done in this notebook. We have my water bottle because hydration is important, and my laptop and my earphones, which are always jumbled. Over here we have my workout gear. Up here we have a mirror. You guys, this written stuff, don't ask me why it happened. Oh hi. Don't ask me why it happened. Like, let's just say I was not in the right senses when I did it. Then we have my vision board so that I can see it all the time. And here we have the balcony. This is the favorite part of the room for me because I get to see outside, and my bed is near my balcony. The place where I'm standing right now, the ground area is not empty. We have a big mattress over here. In lockdown, my brother has been living in my room, so he sleeps on the mattress down and I sleep on my bed. I did not keep the mattress in this video because I wanted to look back at it and feel like it is my room, and this is what my room looked like when there was no lockdown, and I love my room. Also, a lot of my books and my cupboard is not in this room. It is in another room in the house. That's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let us all pray for me and hope that I shift to my new house very soon, so that the next room tour and house tour will be way more aesthetic than it is right now. Let me know if you have more interesting ideas. I will look at it. Like, I had this limited mindset a few days back that I do not want to shoot some kind of videos, but now I'm like, I do want to shoot any kind of video that I can with the resources that I have already. Like, who cares if I don't have a fancy camera or a fancy mic? It's completely fine. The resources I have is enough. So I want to create the videos that you guys want to watch. If you have any requests, you can put it in the comments section. Please do like, share, subscribe, bell button, all those amazing things. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.